Open the chest or I'll fuck you up now.
Try me, bitch.
Alright, let's go. Well, anyway, my goal today is to get 1 win. I just want to get my first win of season 5. Motherfucker,